Exploring joy and challenge, 4th grade students' perceptions of English writing in Tashicholing Dungkhag, Bhutan. This study looks at how 4th grade students in Tashicholing Dungkhag feel about writing in English. It focuses on their emotions, thinking processes, and the environment in which they learn. 14 students from 7 government schools shared their experiences through interviews. The study found 4 main themes. Students enjoy writing but also face struggles like spelling and grammar. They experience mixed emotions, and teacher support plays a big role in how they feel about writing. Some students find writing fun and creative, while others feel nervous or unsure. However, when teachers are kind, encouraging, and give helpful feedback, students feel more confident. This research highlights the need for teachers to understand students' feelings and to create a friendly and supportive writing environment. It also suggests using more fun and low-pressure writing activities. The findings offer ideas to improve English writing lessons in Bhutanese schools and other similar learning settings. Introduction. In Bhutanese schools, English plays a major role, not only as a subject but also as the language used to teach other subjects like science and math. This can be especially tough for young students in rural areas like Tashicholing Dungkhag, where many children speak different languages at home and have limited access to books and writing materials. This study looks at how 4th grade students in this area feel about writing in English. It focuses on their attitudes, the difficulties they face, and how teachers and classroom support affect their learning. Interviews with students revealed a mix of excitement and struggle. While some enjoy writing, many find it hard due to limited practice and emotional stress. The study highlights the importance of caring, supportive teaching that builds confidence. By listening to students' experiences, the research suggests ways to improve writing lessons in Bhutan schools, aiming for both academic success and emotional well-being. Conclusion. This study looked at how 4th grade students in rural Bhutanese schools feel about writing in English. Interviews with 14 students from 7 schools in Tashicholing Dungkhag showed that many children enjoy writing because it lets them express their thoughts and creativity. However, they also face problems like difficulty with grammar and spelling, fear of making mistakes, and worry about being corrected by teachers. For these students, writing is not just about learning a language, it's also an emotional experience. The support they receive from teachers plays a big role in how confident and motivated they feel. The study suggests that writing lessons in Bhutan should focus not only on grammar and textbooks but also on making students feel safe, encouraged, and free to be creative. By doing so, schools can help children grow emotionally and academically, in line with Bhutan's goal of promoting happiness and well-being through education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.